Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to go ahead and log out of the Walmart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and log out of the Walmart app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, let's first go ahead and open up the Walmart app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. And then from this page here, this is the really important step, guys. You want to scroll all the way down and you want to click on Sign Out. So what this is going to do is that it's going to sign you out of your Walmart app so that you can go ahead and make sure that you're not logged in on another mobile device. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign out or log out of the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.